Camps log. Started 2012-14. It's about 20 minutes before sunrise. I'm heading up to the lookout tower. Get some shots. But I'm a little bit scared. When you're in these dark forests all alone, and you might get a big group of hillbillies all sitting somewhere around the fire, and all been drinking corn whiskey all night long. And suddenly, you see a stranger driving by on his bicycle. And maybe they want to have some sport with him. So I've done all the climbing. I'm almost at the top. Everything's good. And the reason I decided to come out early this morning, on Saturday morning, is every single day it's been overcast and grey and rainy. And for today, it's forecast sunny for the morning. So I thought I'd use it and get up there and enjoy a bit of winter sunlight, because we're coming up to the solstice and you need every photon you can get. Otherwise you'll be plunged in a depression which you can never rise from. Still, it's a long way up this hill. Shattered again. I don't want to go too fast though. I'm trying to pace myself because I don't want to get too hot and be absolutely wringing wet at the top and then freezing. Pace myself a little bit. Actually the sun rises at 16 minutes past 8 and it's about 5 past 8 now. So I have to see whether I get to the lookout place in time for the sunrise. But the sun has to come over a range of hills anyway, so I think we'll have time. Okay now. So here we go. Up the Tower of Pain and Destiny again. Hoping for a nice sunrise, but all cloudy over there. So we'll just hang around up here for 15 minutes, see if anything happens with the light.